This is the More Care Dental Calculus Remover, which removes dental plaque. It comes with this, the mirror, the little wrench to remove and tighten the top pieces which go here, and a charger. So to turn it on, you press this once and it goes on soft. As soon as this touches your teeth, it begins to vibrate. It has 4 sets of points, 2 pointy ones and 2 flat ones. So you can switch them out to whatever ones you like. This is the pointy one. Let's get started. So let's get started. It's on the soft setting.